Everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a little video here for you today. Had a tree fall down across the street, went over to clean it up, used the XL-76. Got a 24-inch bar on it, skip chain. This is a sweet running, nice cutting little saw. I believe it's like 58 cc's, pretty much like an XL-12. This is the one I made the full wrap for, and I did do a pipe mod. Nice little saw. Haven't had this one out in a while, so I figured I'd do a quick video with it and get some work done across the street. I got a hay lot over there, and if I didn't clean the tree up, I'd lose that much more on my hay lot. So when that happens, I got to get over there and get stuff cut back. This field across the street is a nice big lot. It's actually two lots. It's owned by the town, but my family's been maintaining this property since the 30s. My great-grandfather bought this farm back in the early 30s, and my grandfather took it over, and then my father his entire life, and I ended up buying the farm, my wife and I, about 10 years ago from my parents. So this is where I get the majority of my hay, is from these two lots across the street. I've got plenty of lots out back that I could hay, but the roads are a little rough and the accessibility is not great. So I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of work up there, get the roads tuned up, cleaned up, get things cut back where I can actually get my equipment through. But these two lots across the street are pretty important, and when I have trees like this fall down, I need to get over there and clean them up. Otherwise, I'll lose that much more of the hay lot every year. So I try to keep things trimmed back as good as I can. But, you know, things happen, and trees fall, and we got to get on them as soon as we can. don't know what it is about this little XL-76. It's just a sweet running little saw. It seems like it's got plenty of power for the size of it, and it's relatively light. It's not a real heavy saw. I don't know exactly what it weighs. Comparison wise, I'd say it's kind of like my 359. It's not real heavy. This, I think, would take a longer bar if I wanted to. Probably could put a 28 on it with a skip, and I think it would be fine. I'll probably do some more cutting with this one, but that pile of wood that I just brought in, I do have another saw that I was going to run for you guys. It's called the Professional Mac 1010S. It's one of the later versions of the 1010 series. It's in nice shape. I just had to do the tank gasket on it, and I just threw the bar and chain from my 359 on it, so that's 28 inch with a skip on it. And I'll probably use that in the next video I do. I'll probably do some cutting with that. So if you guys are interested in that saw, stay tuned to see that one cut. And yeah, so just a quick little video for you, nothing real special, kind of showing you a little bit around the property. And if you like that kind of stuff, let me know. All right, thanks for watching, guys.